Hey everyone, thank you for watching and welcome to my final project pan video of 2020. This is it. We have reached the end. So if you have missed my project pan, I will leave my playlist down below, of course. I do this on an every other month basis. 1 month I do a project pan, 1 month I do a shop to my stash. Shop my stash, I'm trying to give some love to older products in my collection or products I haven't used as much. Project pan, I'm actually trying to use products up or put pan in them, as the name might suggest. I have been doing a rolling project pan for 2020, so this finale video is a little bit different from ones I've done in the past where I'm working on the same set of products all throughout the year and then this is the end. I have been doing what we call a rolling project pan, bringing in some new products, taking some out even if I haven't used them up or hit pan in them. And I have to say it's definitely kept me a lot more interested in my project pan this year, but today's video is the finale. This is going to be the final one before I decide to decide how I want to kick off my next project pan, which will start in January of 2021. But if you want to see my final progress, and I feel like this is a pretty exciting project pan, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's start exciting and end exciting. How does that sound? So first up, I have this lip product from Tarte. So this is a mini of the Rum Punch lipstick, and here is what my lipstick looks like currently. Like, there's not much going on in here. I feel like I just wore this the other night, and I feel like if I would have touched up at any point, then I probably would have finished this completely off, but there is just a smidgen left. There's a smidgen left, and I just know I'm probably gonna wear this, like I said, just one more time, and it's going to be done. So I'm pretty proud of myself because I have had this forever, and it's just kind of always been there and been around, and I'm like, how am I not finishing off this mini lipstick? So boom, Tarte, she about done, and I'm pretty proud of that. And then also for my lip liner, I have been working on this lip liner. I'm pretty sure I pulled it in January of 2020, which seems like so long ago. This is my Oh Snap lip liner from Colourpop. Yes, this is it. This is the whole thing. And honestly, I think the cap, well, okay, maybe not. I was gonna say the cap is larger than the pencil itself, but it is pretty close, okay? I just resharpened this like 2 or 3 days ago. I wore this one and it was getting pretty low, so I sharpened it again, and it is not the easiest to apply to my lips because it's so, like, my nails almost go to the tip of this lip liner. I have been kind of grappling for the past few check-ins, like, do I just take this one out finally? Like, am I ever actually going to finish it up? I just, even though this is the finale project pan, I'm not bringing any more new products or anything. I'm gonna start off fresh in 2021, so in January we'll do a new one. But I'm like, you know what? I had this moment too where I was like, I should just get rid of it because it is so hard to apply, but I'm still doing it. I'm still doing it. So I just want to see, what does an entire lip liner look while finished? I don't know because I've never done it. All right, this is a product that I don't really know what's going on here. So this is from Hourglass. So I have a little mini of their Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Now, when I look at it from the back, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it looks like there's a little bit more product, like especially right here. There's not much, and I knew that I've been getting down there for quite some time. It's kind of why I wanted to pull it into my project pan, because the other powder that I've been working on, the one from Covergirl, it just looks the same in every check-in. Like, it does have a gigantic pan, but I'm like, am I ever gonna actually use this one? But with the Hourglass, it's like I'm really struggling to get any more product out. So you can probably see a little bit of the powder here on the top of the container, but it is really, really hard for me to get anything out. I don't know, do you have any tips? Because like I said, if there was just like a tiny speck, I'd be like, okay, that's fine. But I still, like, I feel like there's some decent uses in here. I just can't get to it. I don't know if I'm supposed to like pull out the top part. Like, I'm not really sure what to do. I'm just struggling because I used it today. I used it on my under eyes. I used it to set like the middle of my face, but I like to use powder to kind of clean up, to create a little bit more of the sharper line here. And I could not, like, I was trying, but I just could not get it. So I had to go to a different powder to be able to do that because I just can't get enough out of here. So, I mean, if there's no way to do it, then this one is pretty much done because I can't, like, What? So I just didn't know if you guys had any tips like that. Again, I'm not the world's like best project painter in the world. The world's best project painter in the world? Okay. Okay, girl, I see what you're doing there. I'm not the world's best project painter, but I just wasn't sure about that one. But I feel really successful on this. I don't think I've ever used up a loose powder either. Granted, that one was a mini, but even still, I mean, you saw the mini Tarte lipstick. Like, it's not the norm for me. Another product, just category in general, that I'm probably never hitting pan on. My bronzers. Okay, so this is from Becca Cosmetics, the Capri Coast bronzer. I really gave it my all. I deserve a participation award for this bronzer because I tried so hard, and I have been using it. I mean, especially, I'm gonna say like the last like 2 weeks or so here, I have just been using it and using it and using it because I'm like, I know my finale project pan is coming up. Like, would that not be amazeballs if I had hit pan in my bronzer for my finale? I tried. I might have considered cheating, but that's just not the right answer. Okay, no, I didn't really consider cheating because that's literally just not any fun. But yeah, another day, another no pan on my bronzer, another project pan, another no pan on my bronzer. Will I put a bronzer into project pan 2021? Probably. I'm never gonna learn my lesson. This is another one that I feel like I got so close on, and I'm still over here so surprised. And there's a few like, okay, so let me tell you. This is from Makeup Geek. This is my Creme Brulee Single Shadow. I have had this for years and years and years and years, but still no pan. Gigantic dip, like it's like hard to put my finger in there, but no pan. And there's a couple of sparkles in here. And I'm not gonna lie, the other day it was sitting on my desk because I had just used it because I really have been using this. It was sitting on my desk, and when I glanced at it, I saw the sparkle and I thought it was pan, and I was like, I did it without realizing that I did it. I was so proud. And then I kind of like just a little scratchy scratch, and I was like, oh, it was just a little sparkle, like a little piece of glitter trying to trip me up there. I mean, one day it's gonna happen and it's gonna be amazing, but today is not that day. Another lip product that I had in here, and I feel really good about this. It's not completely gone, but I feel good. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's one of their lip glosses in Apricot Dream, and I mean, look at that. It's really hard when I'm reaching for gloss, especially for Ofra. I'm usually always reaching for the Millie Gloss, which is my collab shade with Ofra Cosmetics. I just love that one so much. I just, you know, obviously it's a favorite, but I also, Apricot Dream was the first lip gloss from Ofra that I tried when they came out with their gloss formula, and I was like, this is beautiful. So I've been really trying. I put it in, I believe I put it into my Shop My Stash bag also. So really am trying, and I definitely feel like I can use this one up. I probably would have already used up a milli. I feel like I probably would have used Millie up if I didn't have like 5 of them open at once. Like, I have one that's always in my purse, I have one that's always by my desk, I have one that's always in my container, like my lip gloss container. Like, I obviously have like 1,000 millis. So if I only was concentrating on one, I probably would have used it up by now. But I mean, obviously I'm gonna keep wearing this gloss. I think that it's beautiful, but I feel good. I feel good about my progress there. And then finally, to finish off the project pan, I had 2 skincare products. So these are both from Clinique. One is the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. So this is like the liquid cleanser. I really like this. It definitely takes a lot off. Eye makeup, all of that. It's good for, I use these 2 products when I am double cleansing. So feel like I'm doing pretty good there on the progress. Obviously multiple uses to go, but I like this one. I feel like you don't need to use a lot of product either, so it's kind of hard to go through that one quickly, but I feel pretty good. And then the other one is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So again, I kind of use these together in the double cleanse method, and boop, she gone. Look at that. We are finishing off with a product that I did finish all of the way up. So my Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm is completely gone, and this is the full size. I actually also do have a mini, and my mini is almost gone too, but my full size, I used it all the way up. Again, I really like both of these products from Clinique. Everyone used to talk about this one in particular, and I never tried it. And then once I did, I was like, oh wait, I actually get it. It really removes everything, especially on makeup days and I'm using the double cleanse method. Like, everything is coming off. I've been wearing lashes more, so I've been, you know, sometimes with lash adhesive, it's so hard to remove it, and then the next day you wake up and it's like your eyes are still sticking together and you're like, ugh, what happened last night? That is not always so fun, but these really take everything off. So I'm kind of like, at the same time, I'm kind of sad I used this all the way up, but I'm very excited because Pharmacy actually just sent me a full size of their Green Clean, like take the day off. No, their Green Clean Makeup Melt, which is, you know, along the same lines of this cleansing balm. So I'm really happy about that. But honestly, like, this is such a good one. I would definitely repurchase it. So I wanted to finish off the Project Pan finale with a product that I did use all the way up. Yay! Okay, so that's it. That's all. That's all there is to this video because it is the finale. I really would love to get your input. I mean, I really enjoy doing it this way. The other project pans that I've done like the last 2 years, I have done where I choose a set amount of products and then I'm trying to use them all the way up throughout the year. I really liked the rolling project pan style better. It was fun to be able to swap in and out products. I also added some skincare in here. It wasn't just makeup. I always had 1 or 2 skincare products in here. RIP to the Pixie Peel and Polish. But I would love to know, do you like the style of project pan? Is there something that you like a little bit more? I'm just curious to get your input before, again, I do start it off in January. I thought about just doing it in this video since it is that rolling style, but then I thought it would be fun to like start fresh in January, start new, a whole new set of products, and just kind of go from there. You know, it's the new year. It's gonna be our best year. How many of us said that in 2020? But definitely let me know your thoughts down below. I'm also very curious, of course, to hear what you thought about this finale because I am pretty proud of it. Other than that, though, that is it. Thank you for following along my project pan journey. Are you going to do one in 2021? How is your 2020 shaping up project pan wise? I would love to know. Other than that, if you did enjoy this one, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you also consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.